Hi there, how you doing? Welcome to Saral Gyan. In this video, we will learn a very important thing about pandas. There are two ways in which you can select a pandas series from a data frame, namely the dot notation and the bracket notation. Different developers use different ways. In this video, we will analyze both the ways and at the end will reveal which one is the correct or the best way to use. So watch till the end to find out. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos. First of all, we'll see what the dot notation is. I am using Stack Overflow developer survey data for the purpose of this video. I have saved it as data.csv in the working folder. Let's create the data frame. Import pandas as pd and df is equal to pd dot underscore csv data.csv. Now if you have a look at the head, so this is our data frame and each column is a series, and if you want to extract one series, for example the main branch, you can do it by df dot main branch and you have got the series. This is what we call the dot notation. You can do the similar by doing df main branch, and this is called the bracket notation. At the pretext you will think that dot notation is the correct way because you have to type less and it is the quickest way, that is why many developers use it. But there are some reasons for which I will prefer using the bracket notations. To explain why bracket notation is the correct way, I will add two more columns. Df shape is equal to df respondent and df main branch is equal to df main branch. Now we have created two new columns, one with the name shape and the other one with the name main space branch. Now if you will try to call the series with df.shape, it will give you shape instead of giving you the series because shape is a reserved keyword in pandas. And if you would like to access the series called shape, you will have to use the bracket notation. Similarly, if you want to access main branch column which has got a space in it, you can't use df.main branch or any other combination. For that you will have to use df main branch. Also, if you want to access more than one column, then you will have to use the bracket notation df respondent main branch. Take a note of inside brackets in this. So since in majority of the cases the dot notation fails, I think the correct way to call a pandas series from a pandas data frame is using the bracket notation. Though dot notation at times could be faster than the bracket notation, it is better to make a habit of using bracket notation for the reasons explained earlier. What is your take on it? Please leave the comment below and let me know. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.